Oh my gosh, you are so funny. Honestly, you should be a comedian, not a sommelier.
The wine is sufficient. You can leave the bottle.
He was really sweet. And tall. Did you see his eyes?
I am paying him to pour Pinot Noir, not to model.
Are you seriously not going to say anything? I was practically flirting with him right in front of you.
I saw. Your technique is incredibly unrefined. It looked like you were begging for a discount on the appetizer.
I wasn't begging. He was clearly into me. I was just being friendly and you're acting like a robot.
I am acting like an adult. You are acting like a teenager trying to make her prom date jealous.
You don't even care. A real man would have stepped in and told that guy to back off. You are so passive.
A weak man fights for his woman's attention. A high-value man simply notes where her attention goes and adjusts her clearance level accordingly.
Clearance level? What is that supposed to mean? You're going to punish me because I'm charismatic?
My time is too valuable to watch you audition for the waitstaff. I'm going home.
Wait, what? We haven't even ordered our food yet. You're leaving?
I'm sorry. I am. The bill for the wine is paid. You can stay and finish your conversation with the sommelier.
Marcus, stop! You are making a massive scene over nothing!
I am completely silent. You are the one raising your voice. Good night, Sophia.
Walk out on me! It was just a joke!
I do not find disrespect humorous.
You are taking this way too seriously!
I take my piece very seriously. Ground floor, please.
I was just trying to see if you actually care. You are always so guarded. I wanted to see if you would fight for me.
You wanted me to act like a peasant defending a scrap of meat. You do not understand the psychology of a king.
I understand that a man who loves a woman protects her from other men. It's basic biology.
I protect you from danger. I do not protect you from your own desire for cheap validation. If you want to entertain another man, I will hold the door open for you.
So I mean nothing to you? You would just let another guy take me and you wouldn't even blink?
You mean a great deal to me. But I am an empire builder. If a piece of machinery in my factory starts sparking, I do not fight it. I replace it.
I am not a machine. I am your partner. You can't just replace me like I'm nothing.
If you act like a prize to be won by the highest bidder at a restaurant, then you are a commodity, and commodities are easily replaced.
Marcus, please. Stop talking to me like a business acquisition. I'm sorry, okay? It was a stupid game.
It was a toxic game. You tried to inject anxiety into my life to stroke your own ego.
I just wanted to feel desired. You never get jealous, so I thought maybe you were losing interest in me.
Jealousy is a byproduct of insecurity. I am not insecure. I chose you because I thought you were a queen. Queens do not seek the attention of peasants.
Are you really sending me home? Are we breaking up over this?
I am not sending you home. I am going home. You can get in the car, or you can call an Uber.
If I get in the car, what happens next?
If you get in the car, the games end permanently. If you ever try to manufacture competition again, you will never see me again.
I understand.
We will finish this at home.
I am so embarrassed. I acted like trash tonight.
You acted like a woman who doesn't believe she is worthy of the life she has.
You're right. I sabotaged it. I have this incredible man, and I tried to make him jealous of a waiter just to feed my own insecurity.
Toxic environments teach women that chaos is love. They teach you that if a man isn't yelling, he isn't invested.
I know, and I promise you, Marcus, I don't want the chaos. I want your peace. I was just so scared you were getting bored of me.
A king does not get bored of loyalty. He gets bored of drama.
I will never play a game with your heart again. I respect you too much. Please forgive me.
You are forgiven. The ego is dead. Now, take off the dress. I ordered us dinner from the private chef.
You are an incredible man. Thank you for not giving up on me.
I never give up on a good investment. Go. Never compete for a woman that you already own the rights to. When she tries to make you jealous, give her the gift of your absence.